And Sid, today is Thursday, March 13th, 2025. I'll kick it off with what I've been working on yesterday. After updating segment name generation yesterday, I found that we were still using GPT-4o Mini as our AI model, which is 6 or 12 months old at this point. So today I've been focused on updating segment name generation to use LangGraph AI agent with Claude 3.7 as the AI model. Segment name generation is done and shipped. I'm working on grouping the fans into segments using the same model. And my current, not blocker, but what I'm coming up against on the engineering side is we are hitting we're hitting Anthropic's limit for how many tokens we can pass in a given request. And I'm debugging around what I can do to fix that. I'll pass it over to Sid.
Cool. I looked into the Anthropic sales. It seems like it's a rate limit thing. It's not a amount of money. We have a bunch of money in our account. It's just they only allow a specific amount of tokens. So I've contacted sales. We'll wait to see how long that takes. In the meantime, my thoughts are either just shorten the tokens allocated per minute, or we can start doing embedding, because context windows aren't unlimited now. But it's up to you, whatever you want to do.
Hi, Ruru.
On my end, you want to jump into PRs?
Let's do it. You got more PRs to review?
I got some PRs to review.
Would you like to share screen or you want me to?
Can you do it so I can watch how you do it?
Absolutely. Where's Slack? Here it is. It's right beside where I am. All right. Let's go through code review.
So the first one I would do is
This one, right?
Yes.
While maintaining artist ID. Okay. Yeah, this was a small piece of feedback. Was there any reason to use the URL, or was it just something that Cursor threw in?
Cursor threw in. It had its reasons. I updated my Cursor rules to include if it ain't broke, don't fix it. And if you don't need it, what is it? YAGME?
YAGME, yeah. You aren't going to need it. Okay, this looks beautiful. Let's save it. Approve code. Come back here. Code changes approved. And then after that, I go into testing. Evals are failing as always. To test this, I should click on a segment and verify that a new segment chat is created? Or is there a better way to test that these changes do what they're supposed to do?
You could just do a new chat in general. It should work.
That was already working in your previous PR, right?
But it should update a new. Wait. It should update the room with the artist ID for new chats.
Did you update this with the latest changes for main?
Yeah. Oh. From these
commands that you said doing it now. Did you actually do it?
I did. Yeah.
Let's verify. Okay. Yeah, I guess it is showing it. Okay. So you're saying that now it's saving an artist ID and it wasn't before?
Correct. The changes for this was, yes, segment chats, to push them so that when you create a new one, it fills in the room with the artist ID.
Now, it does not seem like selecting a new artist changes my recent chats. Is that expected?
Yeah, I have not hit that yet.
Copy. So although we're doing this is a change I should check in Supabase for.
Correct.
Okay. Still doing back-end stuff, have not gotten to the point of the changes being visible on the front end.
Correct.
Which is good. We're taking it step by step. Sid sees how much work goes on behind the scenes before it actually sticks its head out for humans to see.
Yep.
Okay.
Also, how will it be breaking changes if I rename this database Recoup instead of SyncStream? Because it's freaking me out. My OCD is freaking out.
I doubt it. As long as this ID remains the same, we should be fine. So
Yeah. Okay,
I couldn't imagine renaming would break anything. And we're going to check inside of the rooms table, right?
Yeah.
Okay. So verifying if we sort by latest, we should not be seeing artist ID. Sort by updated at, descending. We should be seeing null artist IDs for stuff that I've been creating. Fans of myself empty. Let's try to do a new chat. Go to new chat. Let's just click the first suggested theme. What's it? Wait for the engage the park fans. So it looks like the room's been created. I see the latest has an artist ID, and if I reference it, it is the park. So testing has been approved. Testing has been approved. Ship, please merge your changes. Go ahead.
Do you want me to do it, or do you want to do it while you're here?
I would love for you to do it just so that people can see it. Update. Let me find your portal.
You want to share?
No, don't even share. Just click the button. I'll be showing it on my side.
Okay.
Killing it on time.
What?
We're killing it on time. 9 minutes in. You haven't clicked the button yet, have you?
I'm clicking it. Wait. Merge. Bam.
Nice. It's been shipped.
2 merges today. Or 2 PRs closed. Let's fucking go.
You've shipped 2 so far, and that's consistent. I think yesterday you had the same, so you're starting to build up your cadence for shipping.
Yeah, 100% increase since the beginning of the week.
And honestly, your cadence for shipping is higher than 99% of coders on planet Earth. So you're already in your air just from you shipping on a daily basis.
Fuck yeah.
This is the next one, 4, 5, 6.
Do 4, 5, 7.
Skip
4, 5, 6. I have a feeling you're gonna
have a lot of
simplify it. Yeah.
Okay. Okay, you already know. Just admin note: would you mind closing these previews just so that it's a little?
How do I close it?
You should have an X here. If you go into the code review, beside here, you should see an X that I don't see.
Code review.
And if you don't see
it,
I
do.
maybe,
Yes.
Oh, okay.
Got it.
Thank you. Just makes it a little cleaner. I am reviewing your code changes. So Sid and I are on a call right now. I don't need to be sharing these details. I'm mostly sharing it just so that our process is being shared in public for how I'm actually doing reviews when we're not on a call together. Okay, conversation typo.
All right, so this one I wanted to talk to you about because it's not.
Is this just a refactor of a file name?
Yeah, yeah.
It looks like it was incorrect and now it's correct.
Correct.
Incorrect, correct. Incorrect, correct. So recent chats is being touched. You're adding a scratch pad. Can we delete this, or is this important to be pushing to prod?
No, we should delete that.
Okay.
Can you delete it from there, or do I have to recommit?
You'll need to recommit, as well as your scratch pad template. Anything in this, I think you've created this documentation folder. Can you just delete the documentation folder unless we have a talk and decide we want to be growing?
No, yeah. That should have been in git ignore. I don't know why it wasn't. Fuck.
It can be a quick push. You already have it open in Cursor?
Yeah. All right. Cool. True.
Out of curiosity, are you going to tell Cursor to do it, or are you going to manually delete it yourself?
I'm just going to tell it to git ignore the where is it?
OCD giving us nice, clean names. Nice.
Yeah, well, I also like I was doing an update and then like cursor
Trying to change it.
was creating things with the correct name, and then it was making breaking changes on new things. So I figured, yeah, let's just fix it. Update to ignore to include the documentation folder. Accept. Now let's commit. Accept. And
Okay, Google, stop.
commit.
See, 10 files changed before. 11 files change. You still need to delete it. Even if you add it to the git ignore, it's not going
really?
to it's not going to delete them. If you delete, so what I do if you want those files to stay locally, delete the folder, commit the change, and then Command Z so that it undoes the delete, and then it won't prompt to add them into Git.
Got it. All right, so delete the folder.
Add them in Git, and then Command Z to undo the deletion.
Run. Run. Bro.
11 files changed before, 9 files changed after. Do you still have your files locally?
Yeah, I'll put them back.
What did Control Z work? If you click on the File Explorer on the left side and then Command Z, does that put them back?
No.
No? Okay.
Oh,
It looks good on my side. Approve code changes. I've approved your code changes. And now I'm just going to check that at least recent chats are loading, and as long as recent chats are loading, I'll try to create a new chat, and I think that's going to be a sufficient test. Sweet Tech.
Do you have a 2 p.m.?
I believe I do. Let me check. Dailies. Sid at 2:45. Someone was supposed to come by my place. They just did. My next call is with Cooprex at 4 p.m. my time, 3 p.m. Eastern time. So I believe I have a whole other hour.
Nice.
So I'm not pressed. Are you pressed?
Nope.
Sweetman Tech. There we go. 715-590. 715-590. Let's verify that I've got my recent chats. Recent chats are still showing up. No change amongst them. They're in a weird order. It's weird that like the park was the latest chat that I did, and it's showing up lower than some of the others. Not an issue, just pointing it out. Let me try creating a new chat. Well, let me try opening up an existing chat and add a new message onto it. Just open up the park one. Park chat. New message. Do this. Okay, jump to a different chat. Jump back to engage the park. Refresh the park. Take a screenshot. Looks good. Testing has been approved. Please merge your changes. I had a check emoji to let you know that I've approved it. Sid ships it. Did you already ship it?
No.
Oh, I'm looking at the wrong PR.
Should I?
Yes. It's like, wow, that was fast, but no, I didn't. That was Jod level fast. I tell Jad, please merge, and he like half a second later, all the way on the other side of the world, he's already merged it.
That's so funny. All right, merged.
Merged. See that? And add a little party emoji, signify that it's been shipped. And now we've shipped everything except 4, 5, 6. And you say for now we won't review 4, 5,
I'm going
6.
to pull the recent changes and update this one.
Mhm.
Just jump into it. And I just want your quick feedback on it before I'm going to go back in and simplify it.
Are those dings me sending you Slack messages?
Yep.
Love it. Okay, you do get notified.
So this is just changing the route.
Root route to initial chat interface. We now have a new autopilot page. Looks like the same content as autopilot. Root page is now called home page. Chat skeleton, initial chat. Did we delete the new page, or new still exists?
New still exists.
Side menu, we have a button that redirects to autopilot, and it looks like it's the autopilot button. This is a button, autopilot, yep. Okay, so autopilot goes to autopilot. Another one, side menu and menu. I don't know
That's when the sidebar is shrinked.
Copy, okay. Same thing. On-click push to mini menu. Is this mobile maybe?
Yeah. No. Mini menu should be the switch.
So we have side menu, menu, mini menu. And reading these, I personally don't know what the difference is between them. Not that we need to change it. There's probably just more tech debt left from the initial dev who built it out. Do you understand the difference between these three?
I don't know what the difference is between side menu and menu is. I do know that mini menu is the side menu compartmentalized, and we probably don't need buttons on it since when we move our mouse, it always opens.
Interesting. Yeah, because it looks like before, if you clicked on segments, it took you to agents, but I never noticed that was a bug. So I think you're encapsulating that right. Even though we have these redirects, they don't do anything.
Yeah.
Because it always expands. New is new chat. Okay, so now it's a new chat, either if you go to the root or if you go to /new, and you've updated the prompts. Who are most engaged? It looks like you didn't actually make a change here. It just changed the apostrophe character.
Yeah.
So looks good.
All right. I don't need to simplify.
Looks good.
Look at us go.
Look at you go. Shipping.
Well, I'm going to need to update this with the new merge.
With main? Usually, yes. I do recommend it in general. It does not seem like it's impacting this one, so we can... My doorbell's getting rung more than I'd like today. Okay, so now I'm going to test this. We're testing this by just checking out the root. Looks like root is already showing me chat. It prompts me to sign in. I'm no longer getting prompted to sign in on PageLand. Before, on PageLand, it would auto open up sign in on autopilot page. On this page, it looks like we no longer have that. Not so doesn't need to be changed. Just saying that.
No. That should definitely be changed.
Here we can see it on the autopilot page.
Okay, so I just need to add auto sign, or if you're not signed in, auto show the sign in pop up.
Yep.
When you land. Okay, got it.
Yep, and specifically tell it we're already doing this on the autopilot page. If possible, do not repeat yourself. That's dry encoding. Don't repeat yourself. So follow dry principles. Take the login pop-up logic from the autopilot page and add it to the root page. Okay, so typing something in prompts me to log in. I mean, it's fine. I don't think it's gonna. We already do it there. Go to here, 657 652, 657 652. Not typing anything. 657 652. Now we're logged in. If I go to autopilot, I see autopilot. If I click the logo, I see a chat. If I click new chat, I stay here. If I go to agents and then click new chat, I go here. If I inspect to go to mobile, and I click on this, and then I go to autopilot, it takes me to autopilot. If I click on the logo, it takes me to new chat. Testing is approved. Let's get this shipped. Testing has been approved. Please
I
merge.
don't need to merge this.
In our general practice. Oh my goodness. Okay.
You can go answer it.
Someone's showing up, so let's wrap up this call so that I can figure out who's at my door.
All right, I think we're good.
Anything else you want to do, or can I stop sharing and we start wrapping up?
Wrap up.
Okay. Thank everybody for tuning in. If you got any value out of this, please click the like button, click the follow, click subscribe, leave a comment down below. Whose hair do you prefer today, mine or Sid?